Hey friend, it's TUXX here. This is a buy request video. People were asking what this car sounds like starting up, so I decided to do a real quick video. I'm outside, so I apologize for the car noises going by, but I'm outside. I'm gonna go ahead and start up this car, and we're gonna do this in 4K so you can hear it. Let me know what you think. I think it sounds pretty good. You know, it does have Flowmaster exhaust on it, so it does have performance part exhaust, and I'll go ahead and just do this. It's a 4K video, so if you have a 4K monitor, feel free to crank up that resolution, all right? All right, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna start this up. Okay, so that was in touring mode. Now this car does have different modes. I'm gonna start up one more time in track mode. Again, this does have a performance exhaust as Flowmaster, but I do have it set to the higher performance standard where it kind of will sound the same, I think, in different modes. No matter if it's in, sport, touring, eco, or track mode, it sounds about the same. But we'll go ahead and start this up again in 4K. I'll be right back. Let's start this up in track mode. Okay, I did have to actually, when I started it, it defaulted, unfortunately, back to touring mode. So there must be some setting the previous owner has, so I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit. But I wanted to let you hear it though. Right now it is in track mode. This is what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty great actually. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have requests for future videos, please let me know in the comments below or shoot me an email at tuxxtoys@gmail.com, all right? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.